Testing. Testing. And just like that, I wasn't planning on live streaming at all tonight. But ladies and gentlemen, hope everybody's having a fantastic day here. You probably know why I am on here. Of course, we've already had a couple of tornado warnings. I'm gonna go ahead and go. Let's go ahead and take a look at these tornado warnings. We had some over here in Kentucky, some down near here in North Carolina. I'm going to start with down here in Carolina. Cleveland County. Need to be in shelter for another 22 minutes. Moving northeast at 30. Blacksburg, South Carolina, about 5:10. Earl, Patterson Springs, Grover, about 5:20 Eastern Time. Shelby, 5:30 Eastern Time. Kings Mountain, 5:40 Eastern Time. Then we got another one up here for Cotterwell, Alexander, Lincoln, Caldwell, Burke in North Carolina until 5:45 Eastern Time. A severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was near Hickory, 7 miles of Mountain View, moving northeast at 30. Radar has indicated rotation. Colony Springs around 5:10 Eastern Time. Hickory Regional Airport, Longview, Hildebrand, Ice Card around 5:20 East EST. Bethlehem, St. Stephens, Hudson, and Small Mills around 5:30 Eastern Time. Taylorsville, Lake Hickory, 5:40 Eastern Time. Other locations from the storm includes North Lakes, Kings Creek, Little River, and Alexander County, Cooksville, and Millersville down in here in North Carolina. Looks like we do got a new severe thunderstorm warning that expires here in 15 minutes. Tornadoes are possible. That extends into Cleveland and for Caldwell, Lincoln, Cleveland, Gaston, Burke until 6 Eastern Time. So, and then along with the storm, we do got some severe, not severe. Okay. So, it is at 30 frames. Okay. Alright. Let's try it now here. I had to do something for YouTube here. I'm looking on, I got my stream up here on the YouTube studio. Like I said, do get a couple tornado warnings on there also. And then we also got some tornado warnings over here in eastern Kentucky. So, as of right now, here's all the rain and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and start up with this one there, Bria. It expires here in 4 minutes. This one was radar indicated. This remains in effect until 5:15 Eastern Time. So, it's at 24 frames. This one expires here in 3 minutes. Imagine if it's still showing rotation. Of course, they will extend it. So these expire here. So this one expires here in 18 minutes. So at 5:30 Eastern Time and 5:45 Eastern Time. I imagine if it's on the track that I'm looking at, it'll probably be going up toward I want to say down to more I want to say like yeah, near, if it's still going to keep on track, it'll go up to Virginia, because this is northeast right here. go into that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a storm track on these two here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to here, going to go to radar settings, and as you see, I'm going to turn on the initial point, track line, track count, and time points. So all four of those are on now. So I'm going to zoom into the tornado warning up here. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to zoom in. Alright, 508. Okay, so it's showing 418 because I am in Central Time. You see, so 508 Eastern Time for Hickory, 528 for Grante Falls, 4:38 Central Time, 5:30 Eastern Time when it moves out of Grante, and 4:48 when it moves when it starts to move northeast from Hickory. So So 4:38 for Petra and Dooley Mills, and then 4:48 for Little River, 4:08 for Hildebrand, 4:18 for Hickory International Airport as well. So looks like we got a new tornado warning, Blackmont. For Shelby, Kings Mountain, and Blackburg until 5:30 Eastern Time, so that will be expiring, and then that'll continue to 5:15. Okay, so anyway, let's go check out this new tornado warning over here in Kentucky. Here, continues for Hickory. Okay, so for Cleveland. Ooh, okay. First observed of the day here. So we do have an observed tornado warning here. That expires here in 30 minutes. In Jackson, right, Public confirmed a tornado. Public confirmed tornado as storm passed through Middlesboro. Tornado will be around Varla 5:15, Miracle around 5:20, Kettle Island 5:25, Rilla around 5:30. So come on now. Maybe it's not showing. Maybe it's not wanting to Okay. Let me go to Jackson. Okay, there we go. Jackson. So alright, so I'm gonna check see if I can see any rotation, and actually right there. That little tight spot right there. Here's the red moving north, the green moving south. Okay, it's going to be near Varlin here in a minute. Y'all need to be in shelter immediately. Like I said, I'm keeping an eye on the screen settings here. Okay, so this just updated just a minute ago here. Here is that storm track right here. I'm going to go turn off these storm tracks here. I don't want TV, radar, I'll make a TV. Anyway, here's that radar indicator, here's that observed tornado right here. There's that tight spot right there. Here's the green moving up, the red moving south. That tells you that there is a confirmed tornado on the ground between Ponza and Calvin. So y'all need to be in shelter. Varla as well. Y'all need to be in shelter as well. Don't think there's. camera. Nope. See, I'm on the next tornado here. So Pineville, you're good. Pineville, you're still under the tornado warning though. But this tornado is like east of y'all, but I still want y'all to be in shelter. Okay, looks like it's starting to weaken a little to me. So this is a PDS basically. This is a PDS tornado warning, particularly dangerous situation. But I imagine that if police sees it, they'll probably issue a tornado emergency. But probably not likely to happen, but I'm careful, you know. So anyway, if you're just tuning in, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. Here's the green moving up and the red moving south. This will indicate a tornado on the ground. That will indicate a tornado on the ground right now. So it just passed Ponza and Calvin, moving toward Varla now. This is moving toward Varla. I repeat, Varla, Kettle Island, getting shelter. Okay, so here's the debris signature right here. And then there's the mountains right there. So, Varla, be in shelter. Varla, you need to be in shelter. Right now, Kettle Island, TJ, Balkan, I need to get in shelter immediately. Like I said, okay. So, they just released an update. Yeah, I can see why they just downgraded it now here. See, right here is like ways from it. Yeah, like it's gotta be close to like 800 yards away for it to be kind of as an observed. So anyway, I'm just going to check the actual radar here. Like I said, this one is a radar indicated one now here. There's that radar indicated rotation right there. Looks like, let's see from here. Tornado warning including Bria until 5:45. Alright, so okay, there's that new tornado warning right here. This will expire here in 24 minutes. So, I don't know what now, so I'm trying to figure out where this radar indicator rotation is. I know, okay, yeah, I see where that, okay, Bobtown. Okay, yeah, I see where that radar indicator rotation is right there. No. Matter of fact, we did have some storms over here. I don't know what's going on with this stream or not. Warnings. Okay, well, anyway, I'm going to end this live stream here, and I'm going to go live on my computer here. So, I'll be back here in just a minute here. But if you did like it, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, the live stream is over, and I'm out.